We saw too many sellers suffering from rank loss they couldn't explain. So we built a solution. Has this ever happened to you? You have an Amazon listing ranking at the top of the charts, generating thousands of dollars in profit, and then one day it just stops performing. Your rank drops, your sales dry up, and you have no idea why. You check your listing, your bids, your inventory, everything looks fine. But what if I told you the answer isn't in your account at all? It's sitting right on a competitor's product page. My name is Lauren, part of customer success here at Data Dive. I speak with many of our 10,000 plus active users every day, and this comes up more often than you'd think. When a competitor runs a promotion, it doesn't just boost their sales. It pulls conversions away from you. Amazon sees your listing underperforming and your rank drops. But by the time you notice, it's already been happening for hours, maybe even for days. Ad spend is going out the door on bids you can't win. Pricing decisions become guesses. And the real cause? Nobody ever caught it. So we built competitor promotion tracking right inside of your alerts dashboard. Click Add Competitor, enter your ASIN or a product link, and then just hit Start Tracking. It's that easy. The moment a competitor runs a promotion, you'll know. Price change, discount percentage, date detected. No more flying blind. But knowing is only half of it. Now you decide. Do you compete with a parallel promotion? Hold your price and pick up what they miss? Wait them out and strike when they go full price again? That's a completely different conversation when you have the data to back it. Your competitors aren't waiting around, and now neither are you. If you're on Data Dive Standard or Enterprise tier, competitor promotion tracking is now live in your alerts. Check it out, the link is below.